Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening FileZilla and confirming your credentials. This gets you straight into work. Connect your Mac to the network, then launch FileZilla from Applications. Once done, type the host, username, password, and port into the Quick Connect bar so you can attempt a first connection. Make sure to choose SFTP when security is required and set the port to 22. Otherwise, use FTP with port 21. This step primes FileZilla to negotiate with the remote server and list files quickly. You now focus on moving files. The left pane shows your Mac, the right shows the server, so drag and drop to transfer. Once a transfer starts, check the queue at the bottom to monitor progress and errors. If many small files are slow, increase concurrent transfers in Preferences to improve throughput. Make sure file and directory permissions are set correctly after upload by right-clicking the remote item and choosing File Permissions. This ensures files run as intended on the server and avoids permission-related failures. You finish by confirming uploads, compare sizes and timestamps, and refresh the remote pane to ensure consistency. Once everything looks right, close the connection to avoid idle sessions and clear the transfer queue. If transfers fail, inspect the message log at the top for authentication errors, timeouts, or permission denied. This log tells you why. Make sure to try SFTP if FTP keeps failing, and check your Mac firewall or server IP/port settings. These fixes usually resolve common connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.